Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Gabriel, and today we're talking about a CPAP that's small enough to fit in your palm, but mighty enough to take your sleep therapy anywhere you go. That's the Transcend Micro, the smallest CPAP on the market right now. Whether you're traveling by air or going on a road trip camping, the Transcend Micro makes it easier than ever to stick to your therapy. Let's unbox it together. Here's what you'll find inside. The Transcend Micro CPAP unit, a custom slimline tubing, a muffler for quieter nights, the power adapter and cord, and the universal power connector. Alright, now that we have everything out of the box, let's plug it in and power it up. Connect the power cord to the converter block. Plug one end in on the round port on the CPAP and the other into your wall outlet. No outlet, no problem. That's where our Transcend Micro power bundle comes in. It includes the Micro and Transcend's rechargeable battery, which gives you up to 2 nights of sleep therapy. No outlet needed. It's ideal for camping, RVs, and even unpredictable hotel power. Now, I know most of our viewers are concerned about noise level, and while this little device is really whisper quiet, you can use the included muffler to reduce sound from airflow. Just connect it to the narrow end, twist it into place, and you're good to go. Or skip the muffler and connect your mask directly to the special 6-foot slim tubing. Either way, the end of the tube is standard sized, so it'll work with almost any mask. Speaking of masks, the Transcend Micro is universally compatible with any mask. Plus, we assembled convenient bundles with our most popular masks like the Nova Micro, Evora, Solo, and more to make things even easier. Now, if you're wondering how this machine delivers moisture without a humidifier, here's your answer. The Micro doesn't have a built-in humidifier, but it doesn't need one. Just pop on an HME filter. These tiny add-ons recycle your exhaled moisture and give you that humidified feel. Transcend's own air mist filters even come with reusable plastic housings to reduce waste. Now, let's talk features. The power button, tap to start or stop. The ramp button, start at a gentler pressure to fall asleep easier. Drying mode, clears out moisture in your mask and tubing. Great for humid climates. The Bluetooth button connects to the My Sleep Dash app to track your sleep data. You'll want to download the My Sleep Dash app on iOS or Android to see your progress and stats. Your CPAP doesn't have a screen, so the app is your data hub. And no worries, the Micro comes preset with therapy settings if you buy it from us, so you're good to go right out of the box. A couple extra tips before you fly off into dreamland. If you're using masks like the ResMed P30i that connects on the top of your head, HME filters may not work well. So stick with front connected masks. To change your pressure settings, you'll need the mini CPAP software on a Windows PC, plus a USB cable. But again, that's only if your prescription changes. Otherwise, you're ready to go. So there you have it, the world's smallest CPAP packed with power, bundles built to fit your needs, and the flexibility to sleep literally anywhere. If you're ready to take therapy on the go, check out our bundles. I'll include the links below in the description. As always, hit like if this helped you, subscribe for more CPAP tips and reviews, and drop any questions in the comments. We love hearing from you. Until next time.